At Phantasmal Flames, just almost a week after release, and yeah, things are already not looking so good. Price of singles has been dropping, and I do expect them to drop further as more and more of these cards are being pulled on a daily basis. Whenever you check Reddit or Twitter, you just see more and more of these SRRs being pulled. I know there's also the saying that people only post when they pull good cards. That may be the case, but if we just look from a pull rate perspective, the chances of pulling this Mega Charizard X EX is much easier compared to other sets SARs. I mean, it's even easier than Journey Together. So I did. There was this Poker Beach article which compared the pull rates across most recent sets, and Phantasmal Flames SRR is one of the easiest to pull. I think it's one out of every 400 packs or so to pull this Mega Charizard X EX SRR. And this one is more difficult to pull, 1260 packs, but it's just artwork wise, it's not as desirable as this SRR. The other cards, they're also not hard to pull, and because they're mid Pokemon, so they're hardly even hitting the $50 mark. But that's really for the singles. I think very soon you'll see this set value go below 1,500, and then end of the year, I think this will be very close to $1,000 total set value. In terms of sealed products, let's just take a look at it as a whole. Across the board, sealed products has been dropping all across, but that's why I always say, if you're a sealed investor, always try and get in at MSRP. And if you can't, because of limited supply, just wait for the reprints to come through and get in again. Take a look at these sealed products if you got them because of the hype. Look at this booster boxes were 344, and then I think upon release it was like 300 on the 14th, and now look at what the price is, 269, and most recent sales 254. It's going to be dropping, and I think it's going to end up closer to the low 200s, might even break below 200. We don't know, but it's possible, because it's funny because it's a product of the set value, and as more and more singles are pulled on a daily basis, people just desire the box less, and that will cause a box to drop. It kind of has two effects playing on it, because as more people open packs, the supply of these booster boxes also drop. Sealed ones will drop, but because the set value is also getting weaker, it also plays on that. So ETBs also huge drops. This is the normal ETB, started from $174 and now it's what, $84. So it dropped by 50%, 50.19%. Most recent sales, you can see even one sold for 76, 85, 83, 83.95. Yeah, definitely not looking good at the moment. So whenever you try and get into sealed products, try to get a case, because at least the case has a sealed premium, and it's more rare. And even for the booster box, despite it dropping to 269, if you were to go and get a case of booster boxes, let's just see if there's a price for that over here. Okay, nope. Oh, there we go. Was blind. Booster box is going for 1,696. This is a sealed case, so it's still slightly better, but definitely the ETB case has a much higher premium compared to 84 times 10, which is 840. Okay, but the most significant drop is obviously from the Pokemon Center ETB for Phantasmal Flames. It's unfortunate. From a high of 596, even above 600, probably at one point it was 600, and now it's 190, and there's some sales for, well, even one for, okay, there's a rip, so it's 150. But yeah, definitely some sales going through for 184, etc. 63% drop. Crazy, right? Market price 190. Yeah, it's just unfortunate, but still, nonetheless, a good looking card, a good looking box. So if you got this on Pokemon Center at MSRP, you're still doing very well. I mean the MSRP, I mean the price was $59.99, so you're still up a lot. So nothing to complain on that side. It's really for those people who FOMO'd in at the hype and got in at $600. They feeling the pain right now because Phantasmal Flames as a set is not really strong. It's actually quite weak. It's on the weaker side, and the promo is really not that great. Charcaday, Paldea Pokemon, not really popular. And then a single pack is going for $8 at the moment, which is also, kind of meh, you know. And yeah, it might even drop further because of its set. Okay, that's all I have. Catch you next one.